So we'll talk about the relevance of the Gandhiji talisman in resolving ethical dilemmas. So what is Gandhiji's talisman? Whenever in doubt, think if the decision would empower or marginalize the poor. Think if the decision would empower and marginalize the poor. That provides an ethical text to judge every action. If you want to judge any action, then you have to think if the decision would empower or or marginalize the poorest. The talisman of the Gandhiji championed the cause of Sarvodaya through Antyodaya, implying the welfare of the all through the weakest of the society, which lies in the core of the Indian constitution. So, talisman is a clarion call to the citizen to develop emotional intelligence so that they are in the better position to assess the needs of fellow vulnerable citizens and work towards their upliftment through individual actions. So, clarion means loud and clear. So, the clarion call means loud and clear call from the Mahatma Gandhi. So we know that India of the 21st century is witnessing sectoral violence, socio-economic inequality, low tolerance threshold, increasing consumerism. Global politics is witnessing xenophobia. So what is xenophobia? So xenophobia means a fear or hatred of foreign people and culture. Foreign people से hatred करना, that is xenophobia. So USA में बहुत है xenophobia, यूरोप में है xenophobia. Armed conflicts, multiple refugee crises. Gandhiji talisman can hence be an effective tool to evaluate the relevance of the government policies, business priorities, and our daily action with the society. All these entities can access their action in the public as well as private life against the Gandhiji talisman to ameliorate ethical dilemmas. So ameliorate means to make something better. Ameliorate, to make something better. So ameliorate ethical dilemmas. To ameliorate, to make something better. So Gandhi ji ने क्या बोला था? I'll give you a talisman whenever you are in doubt and when the self become too much with you. Apply the following test. Recall the face of the poorest and the weakest man whom you have seen and ask yourself if the step you contemplate is going to be any of use of him. Will he gain anything by it? Will it restore him to control over his own life and destiny? In other words, will it lead to the Swaraj for the hungry and habitual starving millions? Then you will find your doubts and then yourself melting away. So हम कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं गांधी जी की तालिस्मैन? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे क्वेश्चन आ चुका है मेंस में, एग्जामिन द कंटेम्प्रेरी रेलेवेंस ऑफ गांधी जी तालिस्मैन एज अ मीन्स ऑफ रिजॉल्विंग एथिकल डायलेमास इन डे टू डे लाइफ. तो पहले जो गवर्नमेंट जो पॉलिसी मस्ट बी नेसेसरी फोकस ऑन वनरेबल एंड मार्जिनलाइज्ड सेक्टर ऑफ द सोसाइटी इवन इफ रिक्वायर्ड मेकिंग स्पेशल प्रोविजन फॉर सच क्लासेस. एट पर्सनल लेवल सेल्फ सर्विंग एक्ट जैसे टैक्स इवेजन, लिटरिंग इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस मस्ट बी शंड. इट मस्ट बी शंड. तो शंड का मतलब होता है शुड बी अवॉइडेड. तो शुड बी अवॉइडेड मस्ट बी शंड. Derogatory practices in society like manual scavenging, caste-based discrimination, exploitation, women, poor, dowry, nepotism must be condemned in practice. At societal level, it encourages altruism, compassion, communal harmony towards fellow human beings when encountered with negative vibes of hatred and violence. So businesses and industry should strive to reduce polluting activities, ensuring optimal working condition must honestly comply with the social security legislation. Further, it encourage business houses to go to corporate social responsibility for achieving greater inclusiveness in the society. Public servants should ensure transparency, integrity in the implementation of the welfare policy like PDS, Manrega, old age pension scheme, so that this step lead to Swaraj in true sense. Thus, Gandhi talisman empower us to judge our action and is a timeless beacon of the inspiration for generation to come. Beacon का बिगर का मतलब होता है जो लाइट होती है, that is used to as a signal. से लाइट हाउस होता है. So it is beacon, a fire light or a hills or a tower often near the coast which is used as a signal. This is beacon. So this is beacon. So Gandhiji talisman can be used as a weapon for the generation to come. So Gandhiji talisman empowers us to judge our actions and is a timeless beacon. So it is a timeless beacon for the inspiration for generation to come.